Morning kids, welcome back to math class.
Let us learn comparison of numbers. What do you mean by number greater than? As we count forward, the number value increases. 9 is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Kids, tell me how many horses are there? Yes, 3. And dog? Only 1. Can you tell me which number is greater? Yes, 3 is greater than 1. Tell me kids, what do you mean by number smaller than? As we count backward, the number value decreases. 1 is less than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Kids, tell me how many sheep are there? 4. Yes. And how many hens are there? 7. Yes. So kids, which number is lesser? Yes, 4 is less than number 7. Now, let us understand how to show comparison of numbers with the help of its sign.
This sign is greater than. This sign is less than. And this sign is equals to. Okay? Now, I tell you one story. There is a Mr. Crocodile. It is always feel famished because it is big crocodile na? And there is one thing. Crocodile always eat larger number. Crocodile wants to eat fishes. So, count with me these fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fishes are there? 4 fishes. Okay, I put 4 under 1's place. You know why I put 4 under 1's place? This is place value. T means tens, O means ones. So I put 4 under 1's place because 4 is single digit number. That's why I put 4 under 1's place. Now here, count with me. 1, 2. 2 is also single digit number na? Okay, now there is a trick. Trick is that crocodile जो है, ये जो मिस्टर crocodile, ये हमेशा big thing को ही खाता है. Big number, larger number, greater number को ही खाएगा. Which number is greater? Yes, 4 is greater than 2. So we put greater sign here. It means 4 is greater than 2. 4 बड़ा है 2 से. Okay? Now, less than. तो in previous line I say ना, there is a trick कि crocodile हमेशा big number को ही खाएगा, greater number को ही खाएगा. तो let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3. Where I put 3? Remember na? O means ones, T means tens. I put 3 under 1's place. Okay. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 under 1's place. Okay. Because 4 is single digit number. Now, crocodile wants to eat fishes na? But crocodile is confused. Which sign I put here? किसको खाएगा crocodile? 3 or 4? Yes, 3 is less number. So we put sign less than. 3 less than 4 because 4 is greater number na? That's why 3 less than 4. Now there is 1 glass of water. So I put 1 under 1's place because 1 is single digit number na? Here also 1 glass of water. So I put 1 under 1's place. Oh, same number. My God, crocodile is hungry. तो मिस्टर क्रोकोडाइल अब क्या करेगा? ना वो इसी खा सकता ना वो इसी खा सकता. Find the greater number. There is no greater number because 1 equals to 1. So we put equal sign here. So you understand? Greater number, less number and equal. Okay, now practice at your home. See you. Bye bye.